Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, South Carolina, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Check out this GX, y'all. It actually looks about as good in person as it does in the photos and the video. Beautiful, beautiful burgundy, maybe like a wineberry colored paint job. This is a 2008. It was traded in my shop. Actually, it was brought to my shop and the engine was toast. And we rebuilt the engine entirely at our shop. New timing belt, water pump, everything. Valve cover gasket, rear main seal, spark plugs, head gasket, everything. Complete rebuild. 291,000 miles on it. Fresh engine. And it runs like a brand new car. You'll find some imperfections in the paint. Be sure to check out our website for more detail, but for the age, for the mileage, still really nice. The worst thing on the paint is right there on the front of the roof. Some of the clear coat's coming loose. There's one little pick right here, but I'm gonna have my touch-up guy do that. And then the back little panel around the license plate, the clear coat's faded on that as well. This car is beautiful, runs great. This was a very, very luxurious car when it came out. It's got the four-wheel drive, light tan leather interior, wood grain. The steering wheel was pretty trashed when I got it. Just all this was coming apart. I could not find a steering wheel that matched this color of the wood grain in here, so I got another one. It looks way better than it did, but the wood grain's a different color. No huge deal, but that's definitely a thing. I haven't tried the DVD players. I don't ever guarantee old DVD players to work. They're not powering on right now, but I haven't put any DVDs in there yet. Middle row is in perfect shape. Third row also is in perfect shape. AC is ice cold. Tires are new. There's just nothing that you need to do to this car. The heated seats work. The navigation, the Bluetooth, the backup camera, all that stuff worked just like they should. Let me turn this down here. And then too, a lot of people are worried about this air ride suspension. It works perfectly on this car. I don't know if the airbags have been replaced. I imagine they have. It works perfectly. It's not been bypassed like a lot of these. It goes up and down exactly like it should. And I've had this car sitting on the lot for a little while because I didn't put any effort into getting it on the market till I found a steering wheel that was acceptable. It's been sitting for a little while before I put it on the market, and it has never dropped down overnight like a lot of these. Whenever they get tired, they sag down. Your owner's manual is there, your DVD, 6-disc DVD player's there. Little wear and tear here, just could repaint these items. That little thing there catches, you gotta just push it a little bit to get it open. A tape deck, y'all, come on. So there you go. This is a beautiful 2008 Lexus GX 291 on the clock. Fully rebuilt engine, ready to roll for a long time to come. Give me a call anytime at 803-853-4300. I would love to help you. Thanks for watching.